everyone and welcome. My name is Ms.Stefany and today we're going to be reading The Girl Who Makes a Million Mistakes. The author is Brenda Lee. So let's go ahead and get started. This is Millie. Whatever she does, she makes mistakes. She pours milk but misses the glass. Oops. She squeezes too much toothpaste. Oops. She uses too much glue. Oops. Spells banana wrong. Oops. She also runs too fast. Oops. Crash. Millie dreams of being a top athlete. So one day she signs up for the hurdle race. It is a race where you jump over obstacles and sprint towards the finish line. Wow, that sounds amazing. Ready, set, go! Shouts the announcer. Minnie bolts like lightning, eager to take the lead. But oops, she forgets to tie her shoelace and her shoe comes off. Millie puts her shoe back on and ties her laces. She continues the race. Oh no, she forgot to jump and breaks the first hurdle. And the second. Oh my, bam, crack, snap. Jump, Millie, jump! Mom exclaims, jumping up and down herself. Millie finally jumps! Oops, my face. She jumps again. Ouch, my bum. Millie is making a million mistakes. To stop tripping, Millie jumps high. She jumps very high. She even gets creative, finds a branch, and jumps super high. Boing. Oops. A bit too high. Millie crashes onto a tree and loses a tooth. Oh no, Millie. Well, this is embarrassing, she thinks to herself. I'm a top athlete, all right? Top of a tree, that is... Meow. And I can't find my tooth for the tooth fairy. Oh, Millie's crying. Okay, Millie, breathe. I am strong. I am unstoppable. I will get off this tree. Millie toughens up and finds a way down. Look, a parachute. It's stuck in a tree just like me. But the parachute is on the other side. To reach it, she needs something really long. Millie comes up with a brilliant idea. She uses her shoelace to tie branches together. It's time to test out her super long stick. Millie reaches for the parachute. Yes, it works! Down she goes with a bunch of cats. Millie finds her mom frantically searching for her. Millie, where have you been? Asked Mom, worried but relieved. Long story, Mom, but I am determined, said Millie, to be the best athlete ever. Early next morning, Millie practices her jumping skills. She jumps on the bed, she jumps on the couch, she jumps outside, she jumps inside. She goes boing, boing, boing to the left. She goes boing, boing, boing to the right. She practices positive self-talk. I am strong. I am confident. I can do this. Most importantly, she focuses on her breathing. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Rainbow, unicorn, whales. Oops. Stay focused, Millie. Inhale, exhale. Finally, the big race is here again. Millie gives it another shot. This time, she feels more confident, and her shoelaces are tied. Ready, set, go! She jumps over the first hurdle, then the second and the third. Hold on. Millie spots something pearly and shiny. It's her lost tooth. Millie is beyond thrilled. She found her tooth for the tooth fairy. La 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 la. Mwah. Oops, she forgot. She's still in the race. Back on track she goes. Boing, 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 boing. Millie is a little behind, but she can see the finish line. As she's trying to catch up, her left foot trips over her right and her tooth goes flying. My tooth! I lost you once. I'm not going to lose you twice. Millie shouts at her tooth with all her power. She launches herself forward just like in practice. The crowd goes silent. Gotcha! Millie says as she snatches her tooth. And wins the race by turning mistakes into hard work. She has succeeded. Mistakes have made Millie tougher and more resilient. I love this story and I hope that you liked it too. Now, we're going to talk a little bit about what is a character and who was the character. Now, what is a character? First of all, I want you to say character with me. Can you say that word? It's a big word, character. One more time, character. Very good. So a character is who the story is about. So who's the story about, everyone? Millie, right? It's about Millie, and she's the girl that's making a million mistakes, right? Very good. So a character is who the story is about. In this case, the character in the story is Millie. Very good. Good job. Now, what did she do in the story, you guys? She made a lot of mistakes, right? Yeah, but did she give up? No, she didn't. She kept trying and she learned from each mistake, right? That makes her character brave and determined. Can you think of a time that you tried something and you had to try over and over again, even after you made a mistake? Yeah, well, that's amazing that you kept going. Makes you brave and determined, just like Millie. All right, you guys, I hope that you enjoyed the story. I will see you next time. Bye.